All right, we continue with top-down analysis for next week. Okay, and that is Goldie on 4-hour time frame. So we are going to make a top-down analysis from higher time frame to lower time frame. You're supposed to subscribe our channel, share to each other, drop your comments. Okay, so let's start with the daily time frame. On daily time frame, we have this market structure. On daily time frame, we have this market structure, price. Swept this sell-side liquidity on left side. You have this liquidity sweep. Let's mark it very clearly. After liquidity sweep, it created a shift here. You can see price break that previous high. It break last a lower high. We have a breakable structure here. Does call it as market is shifting, structure market shifting. Also below here have liquidity grab. Have this liquidity grab. Very good indication for bullish move. Okay, right now we are in impulsive move. You can see this impulsive move, but we have very good candle range theory here, candle arrangement, a very good CRT mode created here, have very good bearish CRT created here on daily time frame. It is bearish CRT where price has to drop to distribute until take out this CRT low, and then later we find the buys. But this CRT is weak CRT. It has low probability because there's no any point of interest on left side where it reacted from. Here we do not have any point of interest where this CRT created or reacted from, so it has low probability. Okay. But we're supposed to find buys because the bias is bullish until now. See, price it swept the left side, sell side liquidity, and also it created a shift here. So we have this impulsive move from that point to this point. Our deal is to wait correction or pull back to discount level, and then we'll find buys later. So let's go into lower time frame to spot out a point of interest on discount level where we will find buys from. 4-hour time frame have this market structure. On 4-hour time frame, very clear market structure. Okay, see price take out this sell-side liquidity, and then it break above this last day lower high. So it created a very good market shift. After market shift, what else? Next thing after market shift is pullback. So expecting next week price will create a pullback until a deep discount level here. Until deep discount level, and for how I have this strong supply, we have this strong demand. So expect the price may drop to this demand, or it may drop to take out T low, and then we'll continue the bullish move. Expect a strong or aggressive pullback on next week. Okay, here on 4-hour time frame also price reacted on this 4-hour supply. Price reacted on that 4-hour supply. After reaction on that 4-hour supply, you see very good reaction. There is bearish rejection candle created here. Bearish rejection candle. This one, this candle, bearish rejection candle. So this confirm very good reaction for bearish move. So this price has to drop until it take out this liquidity. You can see below here have a lot of liquidity here. Each price has to take it out. You have to wait price to take or to sweep this liquidity here. Have this liquidity. Okay, after that liquidity on deep discount level, have this fair value gap here. Also here have this fair value gap. So that is displacement. Do not consider it. Okay. So we are supposed to find short position until price it reach a deep discount level where it will be safe for buys. That is for our time frame. So this movement bearish bias shifted to 30-minute time frame. On 30-minute time frame here, 30-minute time frame here we have this order block. Price reacted on that, the dominant order block, and it is bearish. So expecting Monday price will drop, price will drop, price will drop, and price will drop. And first target will target this liquidity. And first target will target this level. Taking profit number one, it is 46.59. That it will be a TP1. And TP2, it will be around this area. Okay, so that is corrective or counter trend. Remember, guided market shift here, we are supposed to find buys for next week. So that is counter trend trade. And then after that retracement later, we will find a confirmation for bullish move. Find a confirmation for bullish move like this. Okay, find confirmation for bullish move. So let us turn back to 4-hour time frame. On 4-hour time frame here, on 4-hour time frame here, we have this impulsive move, and we can apply Fibo. When we apply Fibo retracement, you can recognize that around this area we have point of interest optimal entry area. So we'll consider this area because we saw that daily CRT, it has low probability because it reacted from nothing. There is no any point of interest on the left side. So there is low probability price to push down until it take out this CRT low. So if price will react around this area on this optimal entry zone, we'll find buys from this optimal entry zone. Or if there is no any reaction, wait confirmation on this demand. Here on 4-hour, we have this unmitigated demand zone. To be safe for buy. Okay, so next week we have to trade that counter trend, and then later we'll focus on buys because the buys is bullish already. We have this market shifting, we have to find buys, but this short position is counter trend trade. Okay, I think it is clear until there. It is clear until there. In case price will open with a gap upside, we'll wait mitigation and then continue with the bullish move. But it will never buy before it take out this liquidity. So this liquidity, it attracts price to move toward this liquidity. There is high probability this price to drop here because it reacted on 4-hour supply, and here we saw this 4-hour rejection. On 30 minutes, there's supply also, so there is 100% to this price to drop until it take up this liquidity. Okay, after liquidity sweep, from there we'll find reversal, any reversal for buys. Okay, find any reversal for buys around this zone. So our buy zone, it will be here. That it will be our buy zone. So on this buy zone, waiting any confirmation that will support you to enter long position, that will support you to enter for buys. Okay, I think until there it is clear. That is gold. Until there it is clear. It is very clear. Okay, another pair. Another pair can say I will analyze it on community. So that's ended here. Make sure you subscribe, drop your subscribe, drop your comments, share to each other, and see you on Market Open Monday.